Right then, technically we've ridden it, but it coughed and farted and didn't want to know, and I think it basically ran out of fuel, so I got another gallon of fuel and put that in, and just for a brief moment going down the bottom road, it picked up and had power for about a quarter mile, and then it coughed and farted again and lost power. So yeah, we probably need to take carbs off and clean them like I said when we first got it, but on the other hand there's other stuff that we still need to do. Brakes are a bit soft on the front, back brakes are spot on, so I think I will just start by cleaning the discs on the front end, but yeah, I've just shoved it around here just to really annoy my wife. I won't be allowed to keep it there, but that's enough for now.